Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today is s'more cookie cups. So I started off with my crushed graham crackers and I'm adding some baking soda to it and some salt. And as always, in the description box below, full ingredients, amounts, directions, all that fun stuff. So I'm also adding some flour. And then I'm just going to give that a good mix and set it aside. You could also see off to the side, I took 12 large marshmallows and cut them in half, and I also separated some Hershey chocolate bars. Then I took some melted butter. It said soften, but I always nuke mine in the microwave. I don't have the patience to let it come to a softened temperature. I always microwave it. Added some brown sugar and white sugar and mixed that together. And then I added 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract and let that mix together. And once that's well combined, you can start adding in that dry mixture. I added about half and then I let it mix, and then I added the rest of it in and mixed it. And then I took some mini muffin tins and sprayed them with non-stick spray. And you just take a little ball of the cookie dough and put it in there. And I'm using the back of, I think this was a half teaspoon, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. And I'm kind of using it to make the little cup. I found out that was the easiest way. And then I wanted to make sure I was making them the appropriate size. So I rolled out all the balls, put them in there and make sure I was using all the dough. And made the little cups. Now that part, don't spend too much time doing that, because I learned when I cooked it, it just puffed up anyways. So you have to kind of re-mash it down with the marshmallow. So I baked those in the oven, and this is what they look like when they came out. And then you're going to take a marshmallow cut side down, and you're going to push it into there. And you're going to let these cool completely before you do the next step. And I think maybe that's important because they're already warm, and if you put them in the broiler, it's going to puff up too much. But once they are completely cool, you turn on the broiler and you keep a very close eye on it. You just want to toast the top of them like this. And then you can set a little piece of a Hershey chocolate bar on top. I accidentally bought like the king size bar or whatever they call it, because they didn't have the standard sizes that I saw in the store. So the bars were much larger, so I basically cut those in half, and that ended up working. And you don't really need to press them down. I wasn't sure at first, but they will, since the marshmallow's very hot, kind of melt a little bit and adhere to it. So that part's not too important. But these are so good. We ate these all in like 2 days. They're so delicious. First time making it. Highly recommend them. They're very good. So thank you so much for watching, and please check out the description box below for more videos. Bye guys.